was not built in a day. Do as you would be done by. A bad workman blames his tools. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched. There is no smoke without fire. Once bitten, twice shy. One good turn deserves another. Prevention is better than cure. You cannot have your cake and eat it. The best things in life are free. A trouble shared is a trouble halved. He who pays the piper will call the tune. The early bird catches the worm. Where there's muck, there's brass. You cannot get blood from a stone. Where there's a will, there's a way. Empty vessels make the most sound. It is no use crying over spilt milk. If you play with fire, you will get burnt. Ask a silly question and you will get a silly answer. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A leopard never changes his spots. Blood is thicker than water. One law for the rich and another for the poor. There is no accounting for taste. Every cloud has a silver lining. You can have too much of a good thing. It is never too late to learn. As you make your bed, so you must lie on it. Learn to walk before you learn to run. Good fences make good neighbours. What goes up must come down. Fine words butter no parsnips.